In the midst of men and women of timber caliber. It's like when in WAEC, a Christian was given a question in religious studies. Examine and criticize the work of Jesus Christ or not. He said, who am I to talk about Jesus Christ? Let me talk about Peter. But today, we are going to talk about that Peter. Oga Peter the Rock. Like Adaramodu said, we have the two Eboras here today. Ebora Owu, Ebora Ekiti. Oga Peter the Rock. The only thing that we can say from the National Assembly, because I represent, is really the leader of the caucus from Ekiti State, that's Senator Okoyemi Michael Bamidele, who happens to be from the constituency of our great leader, Ekiti Central District. But because I'm the spokesperson of the Senate, and I happen to be one of the subjects from Ekiti, I have to hold forth. Your Excellencies, our Excellencies and my Excellency, Baba Olusegun Obasanjo, Ekurolesa, Ekawasa, Bawasa. Our own Vice President, sir, Agechi Kasa. We are here for you, sir. Our former Senate President, Lembeonza, from Ilori. My leader, our boss and our mentor, the father of the progressives in Ekiti State, our own father, Otobani Adebayo, the first executive governor of Ekiti State. We will always pay homage. My governor, our governor, Omoluabi, was being betrothed to us from all the generations of former governors of Ekiti State. Bao, Biodun, Abayomi, Oyebanji, and we always say Ekushe. And 2 minutes. Maybe you give me microphone when you give microphone to a politician. So what do you expect? Yes. My Oga, our Oga, the work minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Oga Nigerianpolitics. Yes, you are doing very well, and we are very proud of you. Yes, Oshokomole, Eborato Jejolof, but Adaramodu did not even say the venue where you eat the jollof. It is Orita. Orita means the junction. And when you get to a junction, junction can be 5, can be 6. Like in about Orita Mefa, Orita Mene, Orita Manu. But in Ekiti, it's only one junction because you have told us and you have taught us how to be very resilient and how to be very straightforward. Like Mgbeke said, when you are with someone you are with dear, consistent and constant, like the Northern Star, you stand by our president, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and you have never hidden it. You have said it publicly, you have said it privately. And then with our governor, the working governor of Ekiti State, Governor Biodun Abayomi Oyebanji, we have never hidden it. You said it. You even told us that, yes, you are not a member of our party, but this is where you are. And when we were even endorsing our governor, you even came there with the uniform of PDP, and you told them that this is not about party, because you are now a statesman. You have moved from just share and cop and shoot politician to be a statesman in Ekiti State. And you endorsed our governor. And that's why it is very easy for Ekiti State to transist back to back, governor to governor, himself to himself, bow to bow. And then it's the same thing, because by 2027, the result will be seen based on the result that Ekiti State will pull out for our own president. Once again, our own caucus wants to congratulate you that very long life, very seriously and uncontrollable prosperity. And we are going to continue to celebrate you. Today is just a natal milestone. We celebrate you every day and all days. On behalf of the National Caucus of the National Assembly members from Ekiti State, especially as espoused by the leadership, headed by Senator Okoyemi Bamidele, and the rest of us, the House of Representatives members, all the 9 of us, we congratulate you once again. And then to our mother, our auntie Fayose, and you know, everything is about a tongue. And when we know a tongue, that is history. And then we can see it in your story. So it is about a tongue. Like Baba said that yes, I saw an okere, I shot the okere kept moving up. And then you keep moving up. So, and okere gori roko, ujo odeda tida, you have gori roko. So that's the end of it. Thank you very seriously.
Thank you very much. Let's put our hands together for the representative of the Senate Caucus, Senator Yemi Adaramodu. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we make progress with the good honor to invite to the microphone His Excellency, the Governor of Ekiti State, Mr. Biodun Oyebanji. Let's put our hands together for him, ladies and gentlemen. His Excellency, the Governor of Ekiti State.
Your Excellency, the former President, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo. Your Excellency, the Vice Senator Kashim Shettima, the Honorable Minister and our leader, former governors, my darling wife, members of the National Assembly, our leader, Chief Oyewole Fashawe, and distinguished audience and the celebrants. Well, I don't have much to say. I will just adopt everything said about you by Governor Wike. I'm not going to add anything to that. He has said everything about you. You are straightforward. You are authentic. What you see is what you get. You are bold. And you are just like a straight line. Whatever you say, you mean everything. And I wish you the best on your 63rd birthday. I'm extremely grateful to you for your support to our administration of the state. Thank you for rising beyond partisanship to becoming a statesman. You have changed the nature, the texture of politics in Ekiti State. On behalf of the team I lead in Ekiti, I say happy birthday. To our mother in Israel, God bless you. You are the real rock behind Peter the Rock, and the good Lord will strengthen you. To the birthday boy, Oga Lukwe, you will live as long as you want, and you shall never want as long as you live. Happy birthday and many happy returns.